Hello friends, welcome to Science and Knowledge. Shehbaz here, and today we are going to unbox another mid-range smartphone, Samsung Galaxy A51, which looks like the new upcoming flagship Samsung Galaxy S20. So let's start the video. Coming up next. So let's see what's inside the box. Get your Galaxy A51 right now. Please check link in the description. Alright. A box in the box. Here is a SIM tray key. A silicone cover. Quality is good. A quick start guide. It's in English. A quick guide in Urdu language. फौरी शुरू करने का guide, especially for my beloved country, Pakistan. And the third one is a warranty card book. Here is a warranty card. And an IMEI token. So here is the smartphone, the new Samsung Galaxy A51. Here is a fast battery charger that supports at 15 watts. A 15 watts fast charger. Quality is wonderful. A USB cable, a fast USB cable by the way. Here is a hands-free. A 3.5 mm pin hands-free. So here is the mid-ranger, the new Samsung Galaxy A51. A device with a plastic back and AMOLED screen Full HD+. With a built-in fingerprint scanner. The smartphone works on the Exynos chipset in conjunction with 4, 64 or 6 128GB of memory, powered by a 4000 mAh battery that supports 15 watts fast charging, works on Android with One UI interface with a set of proprietary software. There is an NFC module for contactless purchases via Samsung Pay or Google Pay. And 3.5 mm audio jack, a micro SD slot up to 512GB. and wireless interfaces Wi-Fi 802, 11A, BGN, AC, Bluetooth 5.0. The Galaxy A51 offers a wide-angle camera with a capture angle of 123 degrees and a 5 megapixels depth sensor camera. The Samsung Galaxy A51 got a 6.5 inches Infinity O AMOLED panel, center hole in the front in the style of the Galaxy Note 10. With an aspect ratio of 20:9. The dimensions are 158.5 by 73.6 by 7.9 mm and weighs 172 grams. Thus, the Galaxy A51 is slightly narrow than the Galaxy A50, despite the fact that the screen is nominally larger, 164 mm. The back panel is also significantly different. The plastic texture is different. The camera block is now rectangular instead of vertical strip. The color palette I have received white. It will receive two more colors, including black and red. Both models, Samsung Galaxy A50 and Galaxy A51, uses the Exynos chipset with 4 productive cores of 2.3 GHz and a quartet of energy-efficient cores of 107 GHz. But the models are different. Galaxy A50 has Exynos 9610 and the Galaxy A51 has received Exynos 9611 respectively. The difference in performance remains to be seen, but support for 4K at 30 FPS recording, which the Galaxy A50 did not have, immediately attracts attention. So we smoothly approach the main thing, the camera. The Galaxy A51 has a quad camera. While its predecessor has only 3 main cameras, the 48 megapixel sensor now acts as the main camera. Capture angle 80 degrees, 2.0 aperture, width 12 megapixels. While maintaining aperture ratio, the depth sensor is 5 megapixels, f2.2. An additional sensor in the quad camera, Galaxy A51 has a 5 megapixel macro lens, f2.4. Only the main sensor has autofocus. The rest are all content with the fixed one. The front camera is 32 megapixel. With f2.2 aperture, there is still no autofocus. The new Samsung Galaxy A51 runs on Android 10 with the new version of the One UI 2 user interface out of the box. The new software brought an updated camera application, a gesture control scheme from stock Android, adds to the visual design, and most of the chips of the gaining popularity of the robot. Samsung Galaxy A51 is quite seriously different from its predecessor and can be a good option for those who are looking for a balanced middle peasant. The model become a logical continuation of the series, with the number of fundamental advantages, for example the same 4K video shooting. Get your Galaxy A51 right now. Please check link in the description. We hope you will like this video. If you do, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge.